In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email associated with your Dashlane account. Whether you've recently updated your email address or simply want to use a different one for security reasons, updating it on Dashlane is a quick and simple process. So let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to head over to your Dashlane dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Dashlane URL or click on your Dashlane bookmark if you've got one saved. When you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the main dashboard. This is the hub for all your account management needs, where you can easily access different features and settings. Next, locate the My Account section. It's usually situated on the left-hand side or at the top, depending on your specific layout or app version. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings. This is where you can manage all sorts of account preferences, such as security features, application settings, and personal information. Once you're in the settings, look for a tab labeled Account Summary. This section is particularly useful for viewing a comprehensive overview of your account details. Click on it to continue. Here, you'll find all the vital information about your Dashlane account, including your email address, which is what we'll be updating today. At this point, you should see your login email listed in the account summary. To edit it, find the pen icon, which is often used to symbolize editing options. Click on the pen icon next to your current email address. This action will allow you to make changes directly to the email field. Now you'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure to double check the spelling to prevent any errors, as this will be the new address associated with your Dashlane account. After entering your new email address, there should be a confirm change or a similar confirmation button. Click on it to save your new email address. And that's it. You've successfully changed the email address associated with your Dashlane account. As a precaution, you might want to check your email inbox for any verification emails from Dashlane to ensure everything is set up correctly. If you don't receive a confirmation email, make sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it got misdirected. Updating your Dashlane email is an excellent step in keeping your account information current and secure. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Dashlane's customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Have a great day,